things in my basement PC workshop that just make sense. The world's largest tube of thermal paste. Gotta make sure I have enough to cover this giant CPU. And all of these normal size CPUs. One of those painter platelets, but with thermal paste instead of paint. This Frankenstein CPU cooler with 6 fans. Oh, can't forget about the test bench that still has this corn kernel on it. And finally, a month-old cookie that was baked with love and a bit of thermal paste.